shoppers, are you looking for a really great frameless oval wall mirror? Now this one here is super cool. It pivots as well, which I'll show you in a minute. And not only can you use it in a bathroom, you can also use it in a hallway and also mount it over a dresser in your bedroom. Now this one has a really great rubbed bronze fitting, but it also comes in a variety of other finishes like gold and brushed nickel. The wall mirror itself will pivot and it will move up and down. You can see like that, so you can create an angle that is pleasing to your eye. This one has been in place for 10 years and it has stood the test of time. It has served its purpose. I also have one like this in my hallway and I'm really happy with how it looks. If you are looking for a classy oval pivoting wall mirror that will look great anywhere you put it, this one here, it's a family favorite at our house.
What's up, everybody? Thanks for watching my product review. I really appreciate it. If you want to get your hands on this really great product, I've linked it in the description below. As well, if you want to make sure that you don't miss any other fresh product reviews just like this one, be sure you tap the bell and turn on notifications so that you can get notified every time I post fresh content.